Hey everyone, Justin here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get CapCut Pro for free for 7 days. This is an incredible opportunity to access all the premium features without any cost, and I'll guide you through the steps to get started. Make sure to watch till the end because I'll reveal how you can get 30% off your first year after the free trial. CapCut Pro is a fantastic video editing app that provides you with powerful tools to create stunning videos. Whether you're making content for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, it has everything you need, from high-quality exports to unique effects. First, look in the description of this video where I've included a link to the CapCut Pro free trial page. Sign up, click on that link, and fill in your details to create your account. No payment information is required right now. Once you're signed up, dive right in and start using all the premium features for a full week. During your free trial, you'll have access to advanced editing tools. Utilize features like multi-layer editing and keyframe animations. Export your videos without watermarks and in stunning resolutions. Explore a variety of trendy effects and transitions. Enjoy editing without interruptions from ads. If you love CapCut Pro and decide to stick around after your trial, I have a special deal for you. Use my code provided in video description when subscribing to get 30% off your first year. It's a great way to keep enjoying all those amazing features at a discounted price. Don't forget to check in before your trial ends so you can decide if you want to continue with a paid subscription. Take your time experimenting with everything CapCut Pro has to offer during your trial. And that's it. Getting started with CapCut Pro is super easy, and this 7-day free trial is the perfect way to see if it fits your needs. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. It really helps out, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.